All right, we're going to talk a little bit about eighth notes and how they're written. Eighth notes are half a stomp, and you'll typically see, where did they go? There it is. An eighth note looking like this. If it's all by itself, it looks like this. It's colored in, has a stem, and it has this little flag attached. This is an eighth note. It's worth half a beat. Now, one of the things I want you to get here with the eighth notes is when two eighth notes are in the same beat, they're not usually written like that. They like to join hands, and they're written like this. So this is how you'll see eighth notes. So this isn't really incorrect, but this is more correct. This is easier to read. So if these are in the same beat, they would join hands and the bar goes across the top. They mean exactly the same thing. This is easier to read. Now there are a few other rules. If two eighth notes are in different beats, like this, they would not join hands. Okay, so this is actually incorrect, and you can't write this because here's a beat, there's a beat, there's a beat. Okay, these represent the little containers for beats underneath. And you can see how, I'm doing the best I can with the marker here. There we go. You can see how these are joined, but they're in two different beats. So this is wrong. Now, it's also possible when you have two groups of eighth notes in beat 1 and 2, they actually like to join the bar again. So you'll see them like this. And notice how the top line is only one bar thick. A lot of times as we get to 16th notes, students will confuse the two because they see four notes together. But in fact, these are two different pieces of information. The above represents 16th notes, which go twice as fast. Now, it could also work for beats 3 and 4. You could join the eighth notes together. So this exercise, you'll see eighth notes are written sometimes hands together in a group of 2, and then sometimes hands together in a group of 4.